Hey everybody, this is a 2006 Toyota Camry. We're going to show you how to replace a accelerator pedal sensor. So the symptom that the car's been having was it's kind of delayed response. You know, when you push the pedal, there's very delayed response. So when we put the scan tool and everything, you know, we were having codes for the accelerator pedal. So very simple to replace. I'm going to show you guys what we did. So just stay tuned, I'm going to show you. So basically right here, as you can see the old sensor right there, the old pedal and the sensor assembly, it's built in. You got two 10mm screws. So you got to use an extension with a one that swivels like this. And also there's a little connector right here. As you can see, you just push the tab on this on the left side like this, and you pull it and you put a screwdriver in there because it's hard to reach, and then you just pry it up and it's going to come out. Okay, taking out the screws, you got to have a swivel socket, make it easier that way. And it's just gonna be take it out. Oh. So we just pulled out the accelerator pedal. So you got the sensor built into it like that, and then you got the whole assembly right there. So we took out the old one, which is right here, and this is the new one. The key thing is you do want to compare, make sure that everything is right. Here you have 6 pins, and it should match on the new one too. Everything should be appropriate. The holes should be lined up so you know you have the right part. And you know, so this one has a lot of boost on it too, like dirt and everything.
So what was wrong with it again?
So basically what happened was, you know, the car was delaying. When you would start off initially, when you push the pedal, the RPMs wouldn't do anything and it would just delay. It would take some kind of 2 seconds, 3 seconds to actually go. When you floor it, it didn't have that problem.
But if you didn't floor it, the car was jerking a little bit, right? Like there was transmission issues.
Yeah, so what would happen is, because of this problem, people will think that it's a transmission issue, but that's not the case. You always have to check everything out, hook up a sensor. The sensor will tell you the code for the accelerator pedal. So basically, you know, sometimes what could happen is, you know, because there's a lot of boost here, so it's kind of tough to move around. That could be the problem, but if both of them feel the same, then your sensor might be the problem in there. So whatever the case is, we have a code for this, so we're going to try to replace this.
Right, so let's put the new one in.
And let's put the new one in and let's get on with the business.